If you're preparing for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam, it's important to understand what this certification is designed to measure. Cloud Practitioner is not just about memorizing AWS service names or basic cloud terms. The exam focuses on how cloud concepts, AWS services, security principles, and pricing models work together to support real-world business solutions. You're expected to understand core cloud concepts, AWS global infrastructure, key services like compute, storage, and networking, as well as security, compliance, and billing fundamentals. In this video, we'll move beyond theory and walk through 5 exam-level scenario questions that test your understanding of cloud concepts, service selection, and basic architectural thinking. The knowledge required to pass the Cloud Practitioner certification. Let's begin with Question 1. Question number 1. A company wants to move from capital expenditure, CapEx, to operational expenditure, OpEx, by using cloud services. Which AWS cloud benefit supports this requirement? Option A, high availability. Option B, pay-as-you-go pricing. Option C, global reach. Option D, fault tolerance. Option B is correct because AWS uses a pay-as-you-go pricing model, allowing organizations to pay only for the resources they consume. This eliminates large upfront investments, CapEx, and shifts cost to operational expenses, OpEx. Question number 2. A company needs a fully managed relational database service in AWS that handles backups, patching, and scaling automatically. Which service should be used? Option A, Amazon EC2. Option B, Amazon S3. Option C, Amazon RDS. Option D, Amazon VPC. Option C is correct because Amazon RDS is a managed relational database service that automates administrative tasks such as backups, patching, and scaling, allowing users to focus on application development. Question number 3. A company wants to securely control access to AWS resources by assigning permissions to users and services. Which AWS service should be used? Option A, AWS Cloud Trail. Option B, Amazon Route 53. Option C, AWS IAM. Option D, Amazon CloudFront. Option C is correct because AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, enables secure access control by defining users, roles, and permissions for AWS resources. Question number 4. A company needs to distribute content globally with low latency to users around the world. Which AWS service should be used? Option A, Amazon EC2. Option B, Amazon S3. Option C, AWS Lambda. Option D, Amazon CloudFront. Option D is correct because Amazon CloudFront is a content delivery network, CDN, that caches content at edge locations worldwide, reducing latency and improving performance for global users. Question number 5. A company wants to monitor AWS resource usage and track API activity for auditing purposes. Which AWS service should be used? Option A, AWS CloudTrail. Option B, Amazon SQS. Option C, Amazon DynamoDB. Option D, AWS Autoscaling. Option A is correct because AWS CloudTrail records API calls and user activity across AWS services, enabling auditing, compliance, and security analysis. For complete exam preparation, visit pass4success.com, where you'll find high-quality practice questions, exam simulations, and expert-designed study materials to help you pass with confidence.